In this video, we're going to take a look at how to log in to Amazon Prime Student. If you have already signed up for Amazon Prime Student and you just want to log into your account, you can easily do it within a few steps. Firstly, just open up your web browsers and in the search bar, search for Amazon Prime Student. Once you do, results will open up. You just enter the website which says Amazon Prime Student and make sure that it is the website of Amazon.com. Once you're here, you just click on Try Prime Student. Now this details is same of your Amazon.com account. If you already have the membership of Amazon Prime Student, you just log into your Amazon.com account and you'll also be logged in to your Amazon Prime Student. Once you type in both of your email address or your mobile number associated with it, you also type in your password. If you don't remember the password, you can click on Forgot Your Password option and recover it. Now once you fill in both these boxes, you can just click on Sign In and you will be logged into your account. Now this option is showing because I have not joined the Amazon Prime Student, but if you have, you'll have all the access that Amazon Prime Student provides. So that was the easy process on how to log in to Amazon Prime Student. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.